Hello friends, today I'll be talking about data communication book by Frozen and published by McGraw-Hill Review. So first of all, let's start with the introduction. Why is this book important? This book is key to study and understand data communication that is the heart of every computer network. It is the prescribed textbook of VTO and it becomes very essential for every VTO student to study this book in order to gain a very conceptual understanding of the topics. Next, where can we get this book? We get it in Sapna or Amazon. And let's now continue with the body. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of this book? Firstly, I would like to tell you about that this book is very well structured, and that is one of its advantages. Every topic is given in clear and concise manner with adequate number of examples for each theoretical and numerical concept. Furthermore, the print quality is also very lucrative. Nextly, if you write answers by referring from this book into a VTO exam, then it is very high probability that you will get good marks. Diagrams are given very clearly, and at the back of the textbook you can find words related starting with particular letter. That's very helpful in books that are very thick like this one. Answers to the solved examples are given, and even as a result it is very helpful to practice them, as well as some keywords are also given behind the text. You can go and refer those. So at the end, few key terms and summary is given, so before going to the exam you can study this. That is good. Nextly, what are these disadvantages? I've talked a lot about its advantages, but let's now talk about its disadvantages. First of all, I would like to say that being in VTO, we are mostly of three categories. A first person who knows average or good English, and the next one is a person who knows not so much good English, and another person is the one who has very difficulty in understanding English. These people are usually people coming from north or as regional people. No discrimination here, but I would like to state here that this book is little high level English is used over here, and hence some might feel it difficult to understand. However, the author has made it very simple to understand, but sometimes in the maze of words anyone can get lost. That is there. So many topics are covered over here which are not essential for a computer science engineer from the perspective of VTO University, and hence it is very important for each and every student to understand what topics he has to learn and what topics he has to leave. That is one disadvantage. Usually before the exam I will read some of the topics which are not necessary to read, and hence I'll waste time. Nevertheless, I get a good amount of knowledge. Furthermore speaking, there are too many graphs over here, so if you're not reading the text properly, you might be confused about how is one graph different from the another, and this is the case. However, few head titles are given over here, but sometimes I have observed that if I don't read a text properly, I'll get lost. Some examples which are important for V2 are given in a very concise manner. I thought that they should have been explained a bit more, but I have to manage now. One more great disadvantage as I saw was this price. Yeah, if you're buying first hand, this price will come nearly about 700 to 800 rupees, and if you're buying second hand, you can get it around 400 to 500, but still it is too much. Luckily, however, you can get a PDF copy from the internet and you can read. However, I would recommend each and every person who wants to become a successful and knowledgeable engineer to get a physical copy, either from the college library or a second hand one. You can also print down the PDFs which have been given. Furthermore, continuing the talk, let's come back to the conclusion part where I have to say my own views about this book. So this book is actually a very good book if you're studying from knowledgeable point of view. However, as most of our engineers are who want cut short studies and who will only study at the last, this book I would say is not that exam purpose book. I have made various videos on the last minute study books that are key for an engineer who wants to clear exams last minute study. Over here, if you want to study, you have to study in detail because the text and the author have emphasized so much in small things that we need a lot of patience as well. Leaving that alone, I would say this book is actually very bulky, but the knowledge content is very good over here. So what I like to say based on my analysis of this book is that if you are a V2 student and you want to gain knowledge, you have time and you are ready to study hard, then go ahead with this book. This book will really improve your understanding for further topics like computer networks. Else, if you are a person who likes shortcut study, I would say don't take this book because over here everything is given in detail and you have to study a lot for that. However, I would recommend everyone to go through at least a few points in this book because this book is very beautifully designed by Frozen. Everyone should go to this book in order to get at least a glimpse of how hard the author is working here to make us understand the topics. Saying this, I like to rest my case. I like to end the talk, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section and please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.